Today we're taking on Austin's legendary 6th Street. So whether it's your first time to Austin or your 20th, you always end up on 6th. I'm Jennifer Martin with the American Dream TV, and today I'm highlighting 2 of Austin's longest running establishments that make this street unforgettable. We're also meeting up with my good friend George Milton, the owner of Yellowbird Hot Sauce. So follow along. Hi, George.
Hey, Jen.
How are you?
Good.
Wait, are we going to do our secret unrehearsed handshake?
Namaste. Good to see
Namaste. Good to see you, too.
Thanks for coming.
Yeah, thanks for inviting me. We're at Pete's Piano Bar downtown.
Yep.
Like famous Austin
Super
bar.
famous.
Super famous.
Been here since 1991 as a piano bar, and it used to be called something else. But this bar is famously in like some music videos from the 70s, back when it was just a dive bar. So it's looked like this since like the 70s.
Okay, so we're at Pete's, but
Yeah.
we're really here to also interview you specifically, not about your piano playing,
Talk
but about
me.
your
Yes.
local Austin business. Because you started a business since you've lived here, or did you start it elsewhere?
No, we started it here. Me and my partner Aaron started it. We moved to Austin in 2012 to live here full time. I was playing music a bunch of places, here being one of them. And we started a hot sauce company here in Austin called Yellowbird, which is all these sauces. I don't tell them, but I would like sell hot sauce to people, because people would like be like, hey, you're the hot sauce guy, right? And I'd be like, yeah, don't tell anybody, but $5 for a bottle of sauce. So I started a hot sauce company, slinging hot sauce out of bars that I was playing in. Also to like some local restaurants and stuff like that. But yeah, I would come play the piano, and then I'd go make hot sauce all night, and then I'd drive it around town. I was younger then, and I didn't sleep a lot. Yeah. But yeah.
Okay, so I know you brought 9 of your hot sauces and your different flavors. So we're gonna talk about your favorites, my favorite, our top 3.
Our top 3.
Our top 3.
Okay, so our top 3 are gonna be our strawberry ginger hot sauce, which we are actually renaming Serrano Coconut, same sauce though.
Okay, all right. Why are you renaming it?
Because there's more Serrano and coconut in it. It's just better descriptive of what it is that we're doing.
Okay, yep, I like that one.
And then we're going to our habanero.
Yep, our habanero. And this one.
Which is our best seller.
Okay, best seller. Whoa, all right, let's get up.
And this one does start to get a little bit hot.
Let's share. Here's a wing for you. Here's a wing for me.
Here, I'll do yours.
Okay, do me the honors, hit me up.
So this is our plum
Wait,
reaper.
it's closed. Let me help.
Oh, dang.
There you
I
go.
should know
There you
that.
go. Yeah, it's your bottle, come on now.
So fresh plums, fresh Carolina Reaper peppers.
Okay, here we go.
And this one is starting to get kind of hot.
Okay. My nose is tingling.
Yeah, I can see it tingling.
You may have heard that Austin has recently become, let's say, the comedy hub of the world. But what you might not know is that Esther's Follies is where it all started. For decades, this has been the Austin staple, where you start your night out with a classic Austin night on 6th Street. Now they've given us a sneak peek behind the scenes where we get to come check out the building with no crowds at all. So let's go see what it's all about. While a lot of the other comedy venues in Austin are stand-up based, Esther's Follies is more skit, magic show. Think Saturday Night Live meets Second City. So good, wholesome, hilarious comedians. I've been here multiple times myself, and the show is never the same twice. So even if you've been before, I recommend coming again next time you're in town. One of the funniest parts about the Esther's Follies show isn't even necessarily the show itself, but it's the, let's say, unpaid extras. These huge windows face directly out onto 6th Street, so at nighttime you have the passersby who are watching from the outside as we're watching from the inside, so it makes a really funny kind of sandwich of a lot of different unique characters. All right, my jokes aren't quite ready for the big stage, so I decided to test out some of my new material here on the street side of these big windows. You guys ready? All right, what do you get when you cross an Austin tech bro with a Waymo? A self-driving car with commitment issues. I'll be here all week. And I'll also be here on the next segment of the American Dream TV. Follow along for more Austin must-do activities. I'm Jennifer Martin, and I'll see you next time.